So in today's video, I am going to be showing y'all how I do these perm rods. Okay, this has been like one of my most popular hairstyles. Like every time I do it, everybody always asks me what you do. I'm about to show you. I noticed that a lot of people have been watching my old videos, so I was like, let me do something to show y'all what I do now. This is how it turned out. If you want to see how I did it, just keep watching. Okay y'all, let's get started. So prepping my hair, I did start off by washing and conditioning my hair with this Carol's Daughter Goddess Strength. It's the fortifying shampoo and conditioner. I love it. And then I did blow dry my hair straight with this Dark and Lovely blowout cream. You're gonna need some perm rods for this. These are the two sizes that I use for my hair length. Okay, so starting off the style process, I am going to section my hair off into 4 sections. It just makes it easier for me to manage my hair, and it cuts the time down, in my opinion. I'm going to take this one section and use this TJIN buttercream. Y'all, this moisturizer is so good. My hair loves it, and this is just a good start to keep my hair moisturized while it's in these perm rods. And so after I section it off, I'm going to go in with smaller sections, and then I'm going to be applying this Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Curl Enhancing Mousse. Y'all, this is what's going to make my curls look really good and hopefully last a little longer. I'm not sure. This is my first time using this on a perm rod set, so I'm trying this out. So you'll see me here, I'll take a rod and I'll take my hair, and I'm wrapping my hair around this rod like tightly so that it's secure. And that is the key. It's nothing special to it. Like, take a section, make sure that you put your mousse on that section. Make sure you get the ends really good. Comb it through so that it's on your hair really good, and then you're gonna start wrapping the hair around the perm rod. I do make sure that once I get to the ends of my hair that I wrap it really good so that it's no flyaways at the end, so that my ends are not sticking out. I think that is a very good tip. So comb the mousse through so that your hair sticks to the rod, and then just wrap it through, but hide your ends so that they don't come out and stick out. Basically, this hairstyle is once you get it down packed, just repeat the steps and just keep going, and it's gonna come out looking really good. And the other key is to let this dry. So you'll see me, I'm gonna repeat the steps. I'm not putting too much mousse, but enough to, make sure my hair is evenly coated. And basically that is all you do, y'all. Just keep repeating the process. Okay, y'all, so it's the next day, and I'm gonna go ahead and start taking these perm rods out. As y'all can see, I lost a couple of them last night because these are old, so they were popping, and I could feel when they were popping. And you're gonna see the difference. Like, my curls that were not secured all night, they're gonna drop longer because they were not completely dry. But really all I'm doing is I'm unraveling my curls off of this perm rod, just the opposite way of which I put them on. I'm just gonna take them off. Just oil my hair. I'm gonna be using the Do Be Girl Misdemeanor. It's a hair mist, so I spray that all over my hair, and then I spray some in my hand and I just rub it through my curls. I like to oil my hair down before I start pulling my curls apart, so that's what I do. And then I gently take a curl and I just pull it apart, not too much, because when you do it too much, you may create some frizz. But I just pull it apart maybe like 2 or 3 times, just so that it's a nice full look. So I give it a little fluff with my hands, and basically that is all I do. Only thing that I do to create a bang, pull my hair up, I pin it right here in the middle, and then I just let the curls fall like that. That is how you do the bang. That's all I do. So if you are trying to create a bang and your hair is long like mine, that's all you gotta do. This is really the perfect like fall hairstyle. Like, the curls are back out and I love it. Let me know in the comments if you like this style, if you will rock this style with a bang or not. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you like my content, and I will see you guys in the next video.